Sometimes in life, we're unaware of just how useful an invention is until it becomes a part of our daily routine. Other times, we're just not aware that a certain invention even exists. Well, it's about time we changed that. You're watching the Interesting and Creative Designs channel. Here are 10 ingenious tools and inventions that everyone should see. Kicking us off is this Modobag, a fun, motorized, rideable luggage case complete with telescopic handlebars and quick-release foot pegs. Measuring 22 by 14 by 9 inches, the Modobag can carry around 85% of a standard carry-on bag. You won't care too much about that missing 15% when you're at the airport though, because this is where the motorized luggage really comes into its own. 3 times quicker than walking when tested. It'll save you time, energy, and stress as you zoom to your boarding gate, still feeling refreshed. You can then charge your devices through the Modobag's dual USB ports and watch more of our videos. Or you can glide around and get some snacks, or just have fun going for a ride and taking in the sights. You'll be the envy of other travelers, and it's a great way to start your journey. Now, if you're someone who's a bit clumsy with a hammer and you fear for your thumbs, the magnet driver nail holder could be your new best friend. It has a special hardened steel tip and uses magnets to hold the nail in place, meaning your digits are no longer at risk. All you have to do is place the nail into the magnet driver and then start hammering away. It's a simple solution to a common problem. The magnets are quite powerful, so you can pick up nails of any size. The clever companion can help you out with all kinds of tasks, from construction and carpentry to decorating and hanging items on the wall. There's no more excuses for putting off that DIY project, so do your fingers a favor and get yourself a nail holder. Sticking with home improvements and construction, check out this next piece of kit. The MudMixer is a fantastic tool that has changed the game in terms of how concrete, mortar, and stucco are mixed. Made from high-strength steel and mounted on heavy-duty wheels, the MudMixer can be transported to any site, plugged in, and it will ultimately save you lots of time and effort. It claims to be the fastest, easiest multi-use mixer on the market and features a fully adjustable water input. It uses a 2-phase infusion system, and when water and dry mix are introduced, the MudMixer will churn out your desired product at a consistent yet adjustable pace. The system is easily cleaned and is quite compact compared to other mixers on the market. It's great for personal use or if you work in the construction industry, with the benefit that when it's time to move on, you can just load it into the back of your pickup. Moving on, quite literally with this one, we have the powered stair climber from Magliner. Their standard and heavy-duty models can assist with moving loads of up to 725 pounds, or around 330 kilos. A fantastic bit of equipment for movers and delivery personnel. It's also suitable for general use and comes in very handy for getting heavy loads up or down stairs safely. The integrated stair climbing motor system hauls the hand truck up to the next step, taking any strain off of you and helping to avoid potential back injuries, or worse, that may come from heavy lifting. The system can be easily adjusted to suit your height and give you better grip. It can also be fitted with additional wheels that make transporting bulky items a breeze on flat surfaces. The motor can be charged from the mains in your house or from inside a vehicle. Plus, you can swap the battery out with ease. During descents, the motor acts like an electric brake, increasing safety and making for a smooth, repeatable, and effortless delivery. The stair climber folds down nicely too, so itself is easily transported from one job to the next. If your next job involves bricklaying, you might be interested in picking up a Crocodile. Not a real one, of course. This is a clever tool from the Netherlands that helps with the measurement and alignment of ground installations. It was designed by a student company with the intention of lightening heavy work and a mission to contribute to a more efficient future. The simplicity of the Crocodile is one of its charms, and the best inventions are ones that are easy to integrate. Road workers, gardeners, and do-it-yourselfers can all benefit from this tool. There's no complicated technology to get to grips with. It's just a good old-fashioned invention that results in a more efficient working method and better end results. So don't fear the Crocodile. Welcome one into your home or garden instead. Now, maintaining your home is a fact of life. Damage will happen at some point, and you're going to have to make repairs. Rather than calling in a laborer each time, which can be expensive, why not invest in a tool that will let you do it yourself? Introducing the Multi-Mobile, a cartridge soldering device that can be used for sheet metal work and for soldering tin and lead. It comes in its own steel carrying case, and with cartridges that each result in 1 to 2 hours of burn time. There is a valve to regulate the ignition, and the fact that this tool can be used without having to attach to any hoses or heavy equipment is a huge advantage. It weighs less than 900 grams, and the parts are easily exchangeable. The Multi-Mobile makes roof work, repairs to rain gutters or downpipes very easy. Of course, you still need to take care while using it, as you should with any form of DIY. Injury is always a risk when doing housework, but this next invention will do most of the heavy lifting for you. It's called the GooLoo from Up Products in Germany, and it acts as a furniture glider, letting you move your furniture around the house with lesser risk of pulling a muscle. Say you need to get underneath a heavy cabinet to vacuum the floor, or you just want to rearrange your living room. It's never been easier thanks to this ingenious system. It can easily transport items up to 300 kilograms and can be used on practically all surfaces, whether indoors or outdoors. Carpet, laminate, stone, parquet, the GooLoo glides over them all. The wheeled bases can be rotated through 360 degrees for a full range of motion, and the jack is strong enough to lift sofas, cupboards, beds, washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, and much more. So, next time you need to get behind a heavy piece of furniture, don't struggle, use the GooLoo. Also helping with the heavy lifting, though on a potentially much larger scale, is this smart forklift from MORN. Designed to be smaller than a standard forklift, but still simple to use, this invention can enhance your work efficiency by lifting and transporting loads of up to 550 kilograms. It is driven by battery power and has a long service life, making it both ecological and economical. Heavy goods can be lifted to a height of 1,500 millimeters, enough to load and unload from the back of a truck or van, making it perfect for facilities such as warehouses, supermarkets, workshops, and production lines. Operation is virtually foolproof, and you have much more control compared to a regular forklift. Precision loading and transport is smooth and satisfying, just like my moves on the dance floor. Being a lumberjack is a dangerous profession, but this next design reduces the risks significantly. It's essentially a compact, portable, remote-controlled wedge that slots into the space made by a chainsaw. Once sufficient cuts are made to the tree, you can retreat to a safe distance and activate the device via radio controls. A built-in sensor ensures a safe and calculated felling. A second wedge can be inserted as necessary, with the power source able to attach to the new one in a matter of seconds. Combined with the pull fast, the end result means that you can enjoy the satisfying timber, knowing nobody is in harm's way. And finally, lending itself to a wide range of applications is this cordless multifunction powerhead from Makita. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion BL motor, it's capable of dealing with plenty of strenuous tasks that may require lots of force. To help with these, there are of course various attachments available, which fit into place easily. You can forge through fields with long grass and bushes, use rotary scissors for more precise cutting, hack down branches with a pole saw, or trim the weeds in hedges, made easier by being able to adjust the angle of your tool. There's a cultivator attachment for agriculturalists, a power sweep to tidy your garden, and a power brush for cleaning urban environments. And that's not all. There are numerous uses for this jack of all trades, and you can have access to every single one of them once you start using your powerhead. Who knew that doing chores could be this fun? Now what do you think? Which of these ingenious tools and inventions were you most impressed by? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and check out our other videos if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for even more interesting and creative content. And hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with our latest uploads. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.